Hi guys, nice to see you again. Yes. In this video, I will continue in my job. Yes. Uh, that was a pity. Last video while I was doing my job, my phone was down because memory is full. So in this video, I will show you more detail about this. What a pity for last time. Yes, and this is the engine head and comes up. Yes, and today we will replace the valve stem seal from this valve. Yes, I will disassemble the valve in this video. Yes, and then this is the camshaft holder. Yes, these are some tools. Yes, at first I intend to use the air compressor to fill the engine with air. Yes, but I do not have the connector, so I switch to plan B. Yes, I will do the job with the rope. Yes, I will pull the rope here in the cylinder, and then push the piston up so that the rope will hold the valve while I was doing. Yes. Okay. Now let's start. Okay. Yes. The first thing is that yes, I will use this tool to turn the engine, to turn the crankshaft. Yes. At first, I will pull the piston down. Yes. You can see here. Yes, I will pull the piston down. Yes, it is going down. Okay, the piston goes down already, and then I will use the rope. Yes, I will put the rope inside the cylinder. Yes, so the spark plug hold. Yes, the rope coming down, rope coming down. Yes, I put the rope inside the cylinder. Okay, the rope is in. Yes, first thing. Okay, ready? Yes, and then I will turn the crankshaft again. Yes. Oh, cylinder. The piston is coming up. Yes, coming up. Okay. Okay. Already. The piston is coming up already. And then the rope will hold the valve here. Okay. Next thing is that we use a towel to cover the engine so that nothing can be fall downward. Yes. Okay. Next thing is that I will use this. This is the valve spring compression, and as you can see that this is the adapter. I make the adapter here. Okay, now first thing is that I will wrap the spring with this tool Yes, grab it. Grab it. No. Oh no. Grab it. Grab it. Yes. One side. And then the other side. One side and then the other side here. This is the other side. The other side. Yes. Two sides. Next thing is I use the adapter to hold the spring. Use the adapter. Wow. A little deep. Yes, enter here. Okay. Okay. Turn. No. Too tight for me to do. Too tight. Hey, we'll try again. First thing is just grab. I'm gonna grab it again. Yes. Okay, one side and then the other side. Go. Two, and then the adapter. Yes. Okay, I will turn the compressor down. Yes. Yeah. Coming down. Yes. Already. And then I push the spring. Okay. Is it good? Yes. Push the spring down. Okay. Okay. Yeah. And then I will use this to remove the setting. Yes. Setting. I remove the setting while I was pushing it up. Yes. One is out. Yes, you can see the setting here. Wow. One is down. And the second. Okay, two setting. Okay. And then I will pull the spring out. Yes, you can see the spring has been taken out. Okay. And then I will show you the valve seal here. Yes, you can see the valve seal here. Yes, just pull it up, pull it down. Actually, I've already replaced this seal in last video, so I just show you that. Yes, and then next thing we will continue. After replace the new seal, we will install it again. Yes, the first is that turn it. Yes, and the second I will use this turn. Yes, to put the seal. You can see. I can use the turn to put the seal. One seal. Yes. And the other. Put it with one hand. Put it with one hand. Yes. and 2 already. Yes, to setting already with this tool. Okay, and then I turn it down. Okay, yes, that's the way we change our seal with this tool. Yes, check it out. The compressor and then the adapter for this. Yes, already done. Okay, already done. Yes. So after we replace the seal, yes, I put some material because I have to cover some hole here. Okay. Yes. The next thing is we will turn the crankshaft and then pull the rod out. Yes. Change the one cylinder. The crankshaft. The piston has been got out, and I pull the rod out. Yes, already. So we can see the rod does the trick here. Yes. Already. At this point, we already changed the valve. So, and after that, we will install the camshaft cover. Yes. Before we install it, we will turn the engine to the top dead center. Yes. Here. Where is it? I will turn the engine to the top dead center. You can see. Yes. Oh. Still. Half of the way. Yes. Down. Down. And then up. Yes. They see the top dead center. Okay. Yes. Top dead center here. A little. I will check the GDC mark. Where is it? Yes. Some more. Yes, in F22 A1 we will check the GDC mark here. Okay, exactly the GDC. Yes. After we turn the crankshaft to top dead center, that position, the camshaft will push the valve with a very little distance. Yeah. And next thing is we will install the cover. Remember to push some RTV at the 4 point here. Yes. Because if we forget to do this, oil will come out. And here I will install the cover. Install the cover. Yes. Okay. Push it down. Push it down. Yes. You will have some 12mm holes and some 10mm bones. Yes. Okay. Push it down and then tighten on bone. 10mm. Do not apply any forces at this time. Yes, just use your hand and tight the bone. Okay. And when we apply force to the bone, we will have applied to the sequence or to the order that is described in the service manual. Actually, inside out. Yes. 10mm bone. Okay. Here. 10mm bone. Yes, and then 12mm. Have 6, 8, 10mm bones and 12mm bone. At this moment we have to thaw the bones carefully and slowly. Carefully and slowly. So that it will hold the cam sharp. Perfect. Wow. Nearly done. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. Before we continue, we will check to see that which valve is pushing at this moment. You can check with our hand. Wow. Yes. This is 12mm and then 10mm. Let me check this. Yes. Just with our hand and do not apply any force. Ah. Oh, so good. Yeah. Okay. We will check this pair. Okay, good. This pair not pushing. Yes. Two are pushing. This pair is not. This pair is not also. Yes. This pair is not also. This pair is pushing. Yes. Attention at top dead center. We have two pairs. This and this. Yes. They are pushing. But with a very little distance. Yes. Okay. Yeah. And then before we apply the torque we will tighten it down and shut it carefully. Yes. Yes. Working great. They are working great. Yes. Good. Yes. This is pushing. Okay. But again. 20 minutes. 20 minutes. 20 minutes. 12. 12. Out. Oh my goodness. Just a little. Because they are pushing. To that. Giờ vào. Đau đấy. Okay. Yes, but it still have a little to talk. Sure. Yes. Okay, before we apply any force, I will show you the sequence as in the service manual show us. Yes, we have here 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. And the other is from inside out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Yes. And we have 2 bond, 6 millimeters bond. We apply force 12 Newton meter. 8 millimeter bond. We apply 22 Newton meter. Yes. Here we apply force carefully. Carefully. Yes. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 4, 5, 6 here. 4, 5, 6. Just step by step. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. Yes. 10, 11, 12. Yeah. 10, 11, 12. And did you see the valve pushing is smallest? 13 and 14 here. 13 and 14. 15, 16. Oh. Okay. And then 17, 18, 17. Yeah. This is the distributor size. Okay. We'll check. Yes, it is coming down. And next step. 1. Then 2. 3. 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 15, 13, 14, 15, 16. Carefully. Okay. 17, 18. Oh, let me check again before we continue to the next step. Yes. Okay. Actually, we are pushing. Okay, let me double check. Okay, good. Okay, good. I'm pushing a little, but they are pushing. A little, but they are pushing. Yes. Okay. Now. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. Yes. One more time. I have to do it carefully. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and then 18. Okay. Nearly right. Wow. 18. Bond. Hairpin. Tighten. Now, double check and then throw. Oh, this bone to the spec. Yes. Now pushing. 4, 1. Here. I'm not pushing. 2, no. 3, I'm pushing. 2, I'm not. Okay. Yes. So good. Next. Yes. Okay. Now we will turn to 12 Newton meter and 22 Newton meter. So the first I will turn to This is will taught to 8. The first step 8 Newton meter, and then 60 Newton meter. Yes, 8 and then 60, or 8 and then 12. I think so. 8 and then 12, 14. Yes. You can see the first I will use is 14 Newton meter. Yes, this is 14 Newton meter. Oh, we'll use this connector. Đó mới vừa rút điện nó kêu cạch hoài anh ta. Rồi, không biết bị gì. Yeah, yes. Yes, here. Okay. Yes. We'll have the adapter to connect the socket to the tolerance. Yes. The big socket to the tolerance. Yes, here. Okay. Now, let us see. Okay, 14 millimeter. Yes. 1, 2. Good. 14 millimeter. 2. And then this is 8 Newton meter. Yes, you can see here 8 Newton meter. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. That's it already. Okay, and then 14 again. 14. Already. 14. 8. 8 here. 8. Good. And then 14 again. I already have one torrent. Good. Only one torrent. Yes. Đang siết nè anh Tâm, đang siết đúng lực luôn nè. Yes. 8 millimeter. Good. And then 14. 14 here. 14 here. Good. Ủa tại sao nó bị kêu vậy anh Tâm?
Chống điện lại coi.
Em mới vừa rút ra.
Chống điện, chống điện.
Nó kêu đùng luôn á.
Chống điện đi. Chống điện.
Okay. And then 14. 14 again. Okay, 14 here. 14 4. Good. Good.
Nó xả cái lòng quay mạnh á.
Không?
Nghe cạch.
Đúng rồi.
Cái lòng nó ra ngoài.
14. Now 8 again.
Thiếu một cái lông đờn.
4. 8 again. Good. Already. Yes. Okay. This is the first step, and the next step I will turn to the spec. Spec is not 14. Spec is 22. Yes, so I will turn it to 22. Yes, 22 already. You can see. You can see here. Yes, 22 Newton meter. First one. Okay, 2. Okay, you can hear the torrent sound, and then 12 here. 12. Okay, 12. Next, 22. Yeah, 22. 22. Okay, ready. Yes. And 12. Okay. And then 22 again. 22. Remember, you have to tighten the bolt in the correct order. And then 12. Yes. And then 22 again. Okay. And then 12. 12 again. Nearly finished. Yes. Okay. And then 22 again. Yes. Apply with the correct order. Yes. Okay. Có một con bị tuôn mình Tâm ơi. Ghê thiệt. Một con 12 bị tuôn.
Anh này mất cái lông đờn của qua nó chim rồi. Nó chạy nó xả.
And then 12. Okay. Thing has been done. Yes. All of it already. Yes. Okay. Yes. And then let us show you. Yes. Here is the sequence. Yes. From 1, 2, 3 till 17, 18. This is the order. And then yes. This is all bone has have been tightened within the spec. Yes. And the next step, we will install the cover and then touch the engine. Okay, I think it's enough for this part. Yes. The next step, I will show you the last stage of this. Yes. Thank you so much for watching the video, and see you next part. Yes, goodbye.